Ooh, why? Why? That sound. Oh. I've been putting this off long enough. I'm going to watch another Snow White. This time it's an animated one. The last two were live action. This is animated. Also, the last two didn't have the waking up kiss. I don't want it. I want Snow White to have the kiss back to life. I'm pretty sure this will have it since it's an old cartoon. This is Snow White by Golden Films. And I'm not sure what year it was made because according to the Amazon, it says 2016. I don't think it's 2016. YouTube says 1998 and IMDb says 1990. And this time I checked and I have my headphones plugged into the computer, so hopefully everything will go without a hitch. And this is only 50 minutes. I also think that it's a musical, because I clicked on it and the first 5 seconds opened up with a song. So at least I am prepared for it. The dwarfs kind of look like, that one looks like the Fred Flintstone a little bit. Let's see how it is. Yeah. 10 seconds in.
The falling leaves call out to me. This is what they say.
I'm not sure about the singing in this. In the Canon films, they had good singing. I didn't like all the songs, but the singing was good. She hits those high notes and gets really close to not hitting it. Then maybe saves it at the last minute. Gonna keep working on a craft.
Once upon a time.
Oh, it's also narrated.
Wait, hold it. Not that story again.
Oh, good, a story. Tell us a story, Grandma. The one about the princess.
I wasn't expecting birds. I thought this was the dwarfs.
How many times have I heard? I do not cry.
You do too cry.
Absolutely not.
Yes, you do.
Not at all.
If I had to think of what birds would sound like if they had voices,
Now,
this is not what I would
I
think.
tell the children
Oh, that my child might have a face as white as
Ooh, she squished
with
it.
lips as red as blood, and hair as black as the
Ooh,
ebony.
that was a weird sound. Oh,
Have a face as white as snow.
For the queen had died with the birth of her child. The baby was as beautiful as her mother had.
that's a baby?
White as snow.
Maybe this is some time afterwards.
And hair. I can run much faster than you. There's no need to do that, Prince.
She is very soft-spoken.
Snow White!
Ooh.
It's her.
Must you be so noisy?
How is she noisy? She was whispering her lines.
Stepmother.
Come inside.
That's why they were being so quiet.
Should not run around like a peasant.
Okay, that makes sense.
Stepmother.
Looking glass in my hand.
Her voice.
The fairest in.
It's so shrill. Whoa.
In all this land and everywhere, none can, my queen, to you compare. Oh, and I mean that with all my heart. No.
Okay, you know what? The voices in these, not a fan.
No one can ever hope to match.
I don't like any of these voices so far.
No, sirree.
Who is the fairest in the land? Looking glass?
Oh, yes. Right. Nice eyes. Say, is it just me or answer? Well, yes. Of course. What do you want to know again? What a grip. Now, what were we chatting about?
You answer me now!
Fantastic. I'm just making friendly conversation, Bob.
Oh my goodness, this is going on for a while.
To get back to the subject at hand. Me against
And it's kind of weird that
anybody
she's
who
strangling
would
it
wanna
with
break
the
me 7 years
handle.
bad luck, remember?
What did you
Kind of looks like a turtle.
Snow White? Fairest in I.
Ooh, that
May I
voice.
interject something here?
Snow White is
Beautiful woman.
Oh, is this a song?
It's impossible! It simply cannot be!
Oh, maybe it's not a musical. She didn't sing. Oh, there's the prince.
Far away from your evil stepmother, to places more beautiful than you can
It's
imagine.
helpful that they wear the same clothes.
The evil queen was brewing.
song.
She had already called the kingdom's huntsman to her laboratory. Huntsman,
No.
take Snow White far into the dark.
Yes, warn her. Yes, we must. What are we going
I just realized the female bird has a pink beak.
We must warn her now, Elf.
Oh, and pink feet.
This forest is too dangerous for her. We must tell the other animals to help us protect her.
Ran and ran.
How are you going to help her?
Until she'd run as far as she could run.
You're just distracting her.
Oh, please.
Useless birds.
They would live here?
How far into this are we?
What's happened here?
14 minutes.
And what an even bigger mess. No one could possibly live here.
Really, it's not that messy. It's like an organized mess. I don't know, maybe I'm messy, but it looks pretty clean.
When you work as a miner,
Okay, there's a song.
that's finer. From Paris to China, I've been told. Anybody should
1, 2, 3, 4,
and leave the rest for later. We always
5,
get the job done.
6.
Maybe little, but we work real good. When you work as a miner, there's no job that's finer. From Paris to China, I've been told.
So they sang the same verse twice. Maybe that was the chorus. Now they have a whistling break. 2, 3, 4.
We love our job.
Same footage.
Nothing greater. We love to go to work.
I think we used the same footage.
I have no idea, Joe. Maybe Joe can tell you. Joe, why didn't you build this car here, Joe?
Well, it wasn't my job today, Joe. It was Joe's job.
It was my job yesterday, Joe.
Why did they give them all the same name?
Yeah. It wasn't me, Joe. It was Joe.
Who's got the key?
Oh my goodness.
Joe had it.
I'm tired of this already.
All right, I'll leave.
I was gonna say she's a heavy sleeper, but that'll be later. It's a terrible joke.
No, this is the right place, all right, but someone's been here.
I do like how he figured out that it was the right place by trying on his jacket and seeing that it fit.
Still all good.
I love that.
I like that joke.
So hard to make.
We're gonna have to keep an eye on it. Joe, you're on guard first.
Ew, don't keep an eye on her.
Then
That's
Joe,
creepy.
you relieve Joe. Then
There was only one bed. Does that mean they all slept in the same bed?
who are you?
And where are you from?
How'd you get here?
And when?
Not to mention why.
Are you the clown?
Now's a good time to say, not a fan of these voices either.
Snow White.
Meet Joe.
Oh,
and over
great.
there is Joe. And
Please. I don't want to be bothered. I'll just leave.
don't you move a muscle. We'll build you a guest bed.
No, please don't bother. I can't.
She's trying to escape the Joes.
Be a bother?
No bother.
I don't blame her. Dangerous woods. Dwarf Joes. Woods. Joes.
I hope one day I can repay you for this.
Not to worry, we love to work.
She must be desperate.
Meet with Joe over here.
Oh, now she's caught it.
Joe, while Joe puts in the final nails.
Oh, it's too late for her. Is it going to fit through the door?
Grab the saw, Joe. We're gonna have to make this door about an elbow wider.
Don't.
She's gonna go crazy staying with them.
Is there anyone more beautiful than myself?
Okay, see, there's the songs.
Like to see my picture on my shelf.
They just kind of waited a while.
One is more beautiful.
Tried to trick you at first, thinking there's no
I hate
songs.
it when I hear things. If there's anyone who's lovelier than I wish they'd pack their bags and say goodbye. Oh,
I'm really missing the Evil Queen song from the canon movie Fairy Tales. That one was good and it gets stuck in my head.
Looking. I will go in disguise so she does not suspect me.
As long as it's not the geisha disguise.
And the car Snow White's dear friend searched for her. Who knows?
Her dear friend?
Look who's coming over.
Those useless birds. Are you going to do anything?
Why, it's the
Did they give the female bird a bust, too?
They must have forgotten their hats.
Why?
Better.
Let's make her a big, wonderful dinner.
Good idea, Joe. Yeah, I love food.
all right.
For a second, I almost forgot
Joe,
the annoying
milk,
feature of their
the
name.
vegetables out of the garden.
Ah, the sound effects. I can't. Why? The voices, the sound effects, I don't like any of it. Ugh.
You greedy.
This time there should be no
What's next? The comb?
ivory comb.
Yeah, comb. You're going as the same disguise, but it's not the geisha. I'm not going to complain. Okay, unless there's a hair ribbon, I think this will be the apple. Not very appetizing. You have to recognize her by now.
I have heard that you were in. Trust me. Then show it to me, please.
Oh, gee.
I will know that you're home.
Did she only poison half?
I mean, you know home.
I didn't see that part. I have to go back.
Every night, one of the dwarves stayed by her side to keep her sweet company.
That's kind of sweet, actually.
Killing me. Please, don't. Guess what? I didn't sneeze.
Oh, that must have been me.
No, it was Snow White. She had something caught in her throat. A piece of apple.
He's not gonna kiss her? Wait, did he even do anything? He just opened the cover and now she's okay?
Alive.
That is the laziest thing I have ever
She's
seen.
alive.
He doesn't kiss her, the apple doesn't get jostled out of her throat.
Bring in the berries.
He just opens the case. It was all leading up to nothing. At least it's almost over. I wonder how she's gonna die.
That's her. Let's get her, Joe. Really good job, Joe.
At least now she won't grow old.
The Joe.
Not to me. You gave it to Joe.
What ring?
I like this music.
Excuse me, is this
But the talking and the sound effects kind of spoil it.
I just love these kind of affairs.
Ooh, why? Why?
You see,
That sound. Oh. Maybe it's a good thing he didn't kiss her when she was in the coffin. They're going to add that sound effect. Ugh. I don't like the squishy sounds.
Work as mine. There's no doubt. That's fine.
It's the end. The only thing I can say about it is that it was short. It was only 50 minutes. This song better not get stuck in my head later. Well, it's over. Here's the thing. And this might just be my own personal pet peeve, but the voices and the sound effects are important to me. I'm not too great at recognizing faces. I've gotten better at recognizing characters and distinguishing them in movies and in TV shows. In real life, I'm not the greatest at it, but I've gotten better at it in movies and TV shows. But because I'm not good at recognizing faces very well, that's probably why voices and sound effects, well, especially mainly voices. Voices are important to me. I like it when the characters have a nice voice. And these voices, okay, I get the queen, she's evil, so that's why her voice was a little shrill. But I didn't like, I'm sorry, but every voice was kind of annoying. And then they had so many squishing sound effects. The songs weren't too bad. Just that mining song is stuck in my head. I knew that was going to happen. There weren't too many songs in it, so it might not be considered a musical. So if you don't like musicals, that's not going to be the reason why you dislike this movie. If you dislike this movie, it's not because it's a musical. It'll be because of everything else, I guess. It's a kids' movie, though. It's for kids. So maybe kids will like it. And kids might laugh at some of the jokes. They went for a lot of jokes in this one. And sometimes kids laugh at when they think that it's a joke, then they'll think it's funny. They had so many jokes in there. And then the running gag of all of them being made Joe. Yeah. And the prince didn't do anything. I wanted her to get the kiss. I thought that it would because it was an old movie and it was animated, so I thought I would see the Snow White kiss. And he didn't have the kiss to life. And he didn't have the apple fall out really either. He just opened the case and then she sneezed or coughed and he didn't do anything. He just happened to be there when she woke up. Oh, that was so anticlimactic. And the birds didn't do anything either. I thought they were going to have a bigger role. They were just birds. They couldn't warn her. They said they were going to get the other animals in the forest to help her. They didn't do that. But anyway, it's a kids' movie. It's a kids' movie. And it's only 50 minutes, so I can live with that. That's it for tonight. I need to recover from that one. It wasn't too bad, mostly because it was, as I've been saying, it was only 50 minutes. And then, once I finish editing it, I'll probably watch another animated one. I don't know. I want to see the Snow White waking up kiss to life kiss. But I'm 0 for 3 so far. I don't know. Hopefully the next one will have it. Fingers crossed. Ooh, I just got really bright. Okay, bye.